Salutations, tubers. Welcome back to the layout. This time around we'll be doing something a little different. Be doing an unboxing video of this, a Jersey Central Caboose. Don't usually do unboxing videos, just really isn't my style, but I figured, what the heck, first time for everything. First, as you can see, this is an MPC era Caboose, judging by the little MPC logo and the General Mills. That's one way to identify them. You know, I do like the classic orange boxes from the post-war era, but I do kind of like these too because they show you all these little illustrations of what else they had. So, yeah. That's a neat little touch. So I guess it's going to be a little hard to do one-handed, but I'll give it my best. A little flap. I guess that's not usually my style. Un momento, por favor. They're on. Alright, there we go. Like I said, it's hard to do it one-handed. There it comes. Cool. Very nice. As for the Caboose itself, well, nothing really to write home about. I've got several different versions of this particular one. That should be pulling out momentarily once I close the box up and check it into the old box storage compartment. Pretty sure. Nope, that ain't it. Nope. That one is. We got that one. And then last but certainly not least, we've got that one. All basically the same. Fairly lightweight little things, but I do have one advantage. Well, they light up. All got little lights in them, so I've got a fair amount of them. But the reason I chose to get this one was to go along with this, my Jersey Central Camelback, which we will be firing up here in a minute. And Jersey Central Trainmaster, which is featured in another video here on the channel. So, give me a minute to get all this tidied up and put some oil in these bearings. That's something you need to do whenever you get some new rolling stock, because they do require a little drop on the contact roller here. Do that, then I will couple onto this cut of cars and we'll have a little spin around the layout. What do you say? So, un momento, por favor, mis amigos. Okay, we're back. We've got our voltage on, we've got our bearings oiled up. So without further ado, we'll go couple on this cut of freight cars. Good old MTH, can always rely on them to get a smoke on. As you can see, we've got light. Let there be light. .510 truck couple. And we're off. There we have it, folks. One Jersey Central eliminated MPC era Caboose. Very nice. So I guess until next time, I shall be seeing you out on the tracks.